Let's make Fideo soup.
To a blender or a blender bottle, we're gonna add about 4 chopped Roma tomatoes, 1 small onion, about 4-ish cloves of garlic, 1 can of chipotle peppers and adobo sauce. Then we blend this until smooth. To a pot on medium heat, we add in a few glugs of avocado oil. Then we're gonna add our Fideo noodles. Stir these around and toast them until they turn golden brown. After you've switched pots, because you realized the one you were using was too small, add in that blended sauce that we made. Add in 1 cup of tomato sauce, and then we're gonna add some beef broth. At this point, you can taste it and check if it needs any salt or pepper. Once our soup comes up to a simmer, we're gonna throw in some chopped up cilantro, put a lid on, turn our heat to low, and let it cook for another 10 minutes. After our 10 minutes are up, kill the heat, stir this up, and we're ready to plate. Cheers.